Founded in the year 1929, the Dharampal Satyapal Group has made its presence felt in a variety of industry sectors. The group is focused on growth and diversification with an undeterred commitment to high standards in product, reliability and transparency. So, it's no surprise that when the group decided to extend its commitment to sustainability through their own corporate architecture, they pursued their vision using LEED, the world's premier framework for sustainable and healthy building.
The origin and soul of the group has been fragrance and flavors. It has been our endeavor to preserve the natural environment and to conserve the natural resources. This LEED certification has been a validation of our efforts towards the sustainability and environment.
Spread over 13 acres of natural green habitat, the campus has dedicated 51% of the property to landscape, and 26% of the landscape is devoted to native vegetation, which minimizes water usage and other negative environmental impacts. Water conservation is one of DS Group's most important environmental focuses.
We have installed the low flow fixtures into the premises. We have converted our dual flushing system into single flushings, and by doing n number of major projects, we are able to achieve 32% savings in the water consumption.
Water efficiency is enhanced through their sewage treatment plant. DS Group conserves an additional 80 kiloliters per day of water plus 5 kiloliters per day through their effluent treatment plant. Grey water is then used for gardening. Water is also conserved using rainwater harvesting. DS Group uses 9 underwater tanks with the overall capacity of 3,59,623 litres.
We have achieved a zero discharge scenario in our outdoor water usage. In fact, we have installed a secondary RO plant in the reject of primary RO. And again, the reject of secondary RO plant is blended into the irrigation tank, thus making it a zero discharge scenario for our outdoor water usage.
DS Group's LEED certified facility addresses energy efficiency with the help of solar panels, which generate 2,63,755 units of electricity in a year.
The long-term goal of the company is to have net zero in terms of power. All our buildings have rooftop solar primarily in NCR region.
To further improve our energy efficiency, an efficient HVAC system was also installed with water-cooled chillers. An ATCS or automatic condenser tube cleaning system is also installed at the chiller plant. Additionally, LED lights and motion sensors that control lighting are fitted in common areas, which further reduce energy use. Waste is also handled judiciously based on the principle of reduce, reuse and recycle. For recycling, dry and wet waste is segregated. And an in-house organic waste converter converts it into manure, making it a closed-loop system of zero waste for horticulture and food waste.
Well, going beyond the LEED requirements, we have made arrangement of collecting food waste and e-waste from the employees and dispose of in a most eco-friendly manner.
Occupant comfort and health are enhanced through smart building orientation. Ample outdoor views with the use of low VOC materials and extensive use of architectural glass, which ensure maximum daylight while minimizing heat gain or loss. Staff is encouraged to use the company's provided transportation options to minimize carbon dioxide levels. A special parking space is also provided for green vehicles.
Management is very much keen to have the air quality in place. Since we have the existing building, we have to do a major retrofitment system in our AHUs. We have installed primary and secondary filters. We have used MAV 13, which is one of the best filters, having 99.9% efficiencies, and we are able to achieve the PM 2.5, which is lesser than 50.
DS Group prides itself on building a business based on being sustainable, profitable and healthy.
We see LEED as a triple bottom line proposition, that is people, planet and profit. That's the reason all our new units are coming up with a LEED certification in mind, and all our existing buildings are being reviewed on sustainability credentials.
To learn more about LEED in India, visit www.gbci.org/India.